Page. Display information. Although it's very easy to upload your course materials, such as word process documents, to Moodle, it's sometimes better to add them directly into Moodle in, for instance, a book or a page. This is better for your learners too, because it means they don't need to have the same software programs that you're using. They don't need to download anything, they can read it straight on Moodle. It's better for mobile app users too. To do this, we turn the editing on from the gear top right, and in the section where we'd like to add our information, we click Add an activity or resource. This brings up the activity chooser, and there are two resources which are helpful to us here. The book resource allows us to add a series of pages into which we can type the basic information we want to display, or we can use, as we are now, Page. We can click the button twice, or click it once and then click the Add button, and this will display the screen where we can add our information. Name is where we type the title the learners will see on the course page, and then the description, and if we wish to show it on the page, you can check the box. We scroll down, and it is in the content box where we type or add our page information. If you only have simple text to add to your course, this is much quicker and better than typing it into a word processing program and uploading it. And you can also add images, video and sound files onto a page. There are various other settings you might like to explore in your own time, for instance appearance, but for now, if we scroll down and click Save and Return to Course, we can see that we've added a course welcome which any learner on any device with any software can open and access. And note that you can quickly update the page by clicking its name and then clicking the gear inside the page to edit its settings.